Hello students, welcome to Right Back again in my e-learning session. Here I am simply creating the video in which I shall explain about the stress management technique. That is the topic of chapter 1, unit 2 and for class 10. Students, as you know, the stress management techniques are divided into three groups. The first one is action-oriented approach. In this approach, actions are taken to reduce the stressful situations. These actions are: be self-confident. Means what? Self-confidence helps to reduce the stress. Once we think to do this, we stand up for ourselves and be positive in changing the stressful situations. Second, reduce noise. Students, ensure to manage quiet time every day that reduce the effect of stress. Third one, manage the time. Well organize the tasks and time given for that work. Fourth one, create boundaries. Boundaries means what? We should set a rules of our work that creates a boundary around us and which can be easily expressed to the others. Fifth one, get a break. It is better to take break in our job and use this time in watching TV, playing games, and in the different entertainment activities. That will also help to reduce the stress. Next one is the emotion-oriented approach. In this approach, we change the way we see stressful situations. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over others. These approaches are: first, affirmation and imagery. The power of positive imagery and affirmations scientifically increases positive emotions. So we should change the way we see and experience the world. Second one is ABC techniques. Here the letter ABC stands for A, adversity or a stressful event; B, belief or the way that respond the events; C, consequence means the result of our belief which lead to outcome of that event. So we should be more optimistic, that help to make more positive. Third one is a acceptance oriented approach. In this approach, acceptance oriented approach, in this approach we deal with the stressful situations which we cannot control. Following are the acceptance oriented approaches. The first one is diet and exercise. Students, the diet and exercise very important to keep away the stress. We should be very careful for our diet and exercise. This help to reduce the stress. Second, meditation and physical relaxations. Means yoga, dhyan and deep breathing help to relax the body and give healthy thinking in human being. Third one is build a resilience. Resilience is also a great key to back from stressful and negative experiences. So we should maintain resilience in our daily life. Fourth one is talk it out. Talking out is the best options to relieve stress. Our worries become smaller when we discuss or say them out. Fifth one is sleep. Getting a good night's sleep to keep away stress. Sixth one is going on vacation and spending time with family and friends. Friends, as we know, vacation helps us to reconnect with ourselves. It helps to recharge our batteries and help to keep a stress level lower. So these all are the important things related to keep away the stress from our body. So after this line, the chapter is completed. So have a nice day and thank you.